Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Ariel's pink dress on Dress to Impress. I'm also going to be showing you guys the hair I use and stuff like that. I'm going to remove everything except for the accessories adjustments as usual. So for the hair, oops, I'm still in a pose. For the hair, I use this one in 97114. For the rotation, X 0.33 and scale it down a little bit to 0.48. Then I use this hair in that same color, no adjustments made, and also this hair in that color, no adjustments made, toggled it to half front in no flowers. Then for the clip, I just used this in white, positioned it at X 0.57, Y 0.73, Z 0.36, rotated the X to 0.42, Y 0.35, and Z 0.05, and scaled it all the way down to 0.21. For the outfit, no VIP needed, but you do need the petal dress for it. I'm going to get these sleeves, and I'm going to color it this like E38686 in silk. And also these sleeves, where is it? In that same color in silk as well. And then for the dress, we just need some code items here. So this skirt, and then first we're going to color it the lighter color FFC0C4 in silk, and then silk again in that darker color, and then that light color in silk, and then that light color. Hello. And then get that other skirt, that puffy skirt, and then again make that one brighter, and then the rest just the dark pink. Then we are going to use the petal dress here in Queen of Flowers, no silver top, and we're going to color it the lighter pink. I would love it to be the darker one, honestly, but I don't know. Let's just do the lighter one, and then for the lines, I am going to do the darker pink, and then the, let's do the lighter pink again. And that is it. Oh, you can also add the like pearl earrings, but yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!